Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you this evening. We have got some beautiful sirloin caps or picanha, whatever you want to call them. Now, you saw me in my last video when I was talking about how to save all that money on beef. This is from one of those packets I got from Costco for about $8.99 a pound. And there's two to each packet. I'm going to show you how to cut these up into steaks, and we're going to cook them a little bit later, and they're going to be absolutely delicious. It's one of the best cuts on the cow. Not everybody knows about it. All right, let's get down here. I got some gloves on now. And let's look at the meat here. You can see the grain goes this way, all right? When you're cutting picanha steaks or sirloin cap steaks, you actually want to cut with the grain, believe it or not, because when you're slicing, you're going to cut against the grain. Now, the only thing I don't like about these is they don't have that fat cap on there. Somebody took the fat cap off, but here's the grain. You can see which way it goes. We can cut it with the grain right here and just make some nice little steaks. Okay? You want to make them about 1 inch thick, not too thick. See that there? See that beautiful marbling in there? And see how the grain goes? That's how you want these steaks. Across here for you. Show you another one. Just like that. That's perfect. Beautiful little steak. Let me get these cut up. I'll come back to you. We'll season some of them up for dinner tonight. So let's get this picanha or sirloin cap seasoned up here. Hopefully y'all can see what we got here. And I just put it on a tray. And we'll hit it with a little bit. I've got a little bit of avocado oil. Duck fat would be good, or whatever. Just some of the oil you want to just kind of hit it with. And that on there. I got two of my favorite steak seasonings. This is Country Pleasing red wine and steak seasoning right here from this local meat house we got here in Mississippi. And we're going to put some of that on there. That's really good stuff. Let's season everybody with. And then we're going to go in with some of this Ely steak seasoning. It's one of my local favorite steak houses, locally owned. They sell their seasoning. Put that on like that. Flip them over, we'll do the other side. We got both sides done. We'll let these hang out in the fridge for a little while before we cook them. Apologize, I raced home tonight and threw these in the oven. But what I do is I like to put my oven here on this air fryer oven on 425 and cook these for about 10 minutes. Then I put a little pat of butter on top of them. Pull them out and check the temp. And it was about 110 or so, 115. I put a little pat of butter on them, put them back in for about 2 minutes, pulled them out, and we're just letting them kind of rest here. Get them up to about 130, and they'll be good. We'll cut them up. Well, now the steaks are set up for a couple minutes. I'll show you how we carve them. Hopefully y'all can see right there. You'll notice the grains going that way. They were cut with the grain, so I want to do two things. First off, I want to cut them long ways. Like that. And we just go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Just like that. I'm cutting this for my little girl here, she'll eat them. Like that. Now, of course, if you're carving for adults, you can do it bigger. But this is the way you want to maximize your tenderness. Just look at that. Beautiful little medium rare right there. Piece of meat. We'll give it a try. That packs so much flavor. Nice, very nice. Let's go down here. Let's cut that on for you. Again, we'll go across once, just like that, and then we just break it across. Okay, and that's perfect right there. I mean, just perfect little steak tips for any occasion. Very tender. Everything's well cut up. That's what we want, y'all. Y'all enjoy. Get y'all some of that top sirloin cap or picanha, whatever you want to call it. Thanks again, y'all. Please like my video, sub my channels. God bless. We'll see y'all again.